What's up guys, it's Electric Monster here. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your mouse speed. Cause sometimes my mouse is too fast, too slow, so you can adjust that manually. So to do that, you simply have to open your mouse settings. Simply type mouse settings in your Windows search bar and a window will pop up. So when you go here, you simply have to click over here, additional mouse options. Then another window will pop up, and then here you can adjust your speed. So for me, I can make it slower, faster, whatever I want, but it's your choice. For me, I'll just keep it like this. And yeah, that's it for this video. It's a really quick video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It will help me a lot, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.